Hey y'all, it's Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I'm super excited to share something new with you. So, you might have noticed if you are a happy planner person that a few months ago they released some decals and removable wallpaper under something called Happy Home. So, we have Happy Home and we have Happy Planners, and now we have something new that I'm really excited about, and it is called Happy Crafts. So the Happy Craft line from the Happy Planner, the Happy brands, it kind of all falls under that umbrella. The Happy Craft line has the aesthetics of the Happy Planner. So you're going to have the inspirational words, you're going to have the beautiful florals, you're going to have the colors, just the feel of the Happy Planner, but in these gorgeous kits that allow you to get creative and try some different crafting, which I think really hits home with a lot of us that like to try different things, that like to bring little bits of creativity into our day. So I'm super excited to share with you some of the Happy Crafts items that I received as a member of the squad from the Happy Planner. Okay, so the first thing I received is a scratch board kit, and this particular kit has 4 kits in it. So this is a scratch board kit. So you can see this is the Happy Crafts symbol. It's a new feel under Happy Brands, and these are those scratch off kits. So you can see there's 4 different ones in this pack, and I think there's another pack. You have these beautiful florals, Bloom with Grace, so pretty. Let Go and Grow, super pretty, and then these rainbow florals. And let me just open it and show you. You also get this little tool set with it. Let's just open it and see what this particular one kind of looks like. So it comes in this really nice envelope, actually, so it keeps it really clean. My kids love these, and the truth is I think these are super relaxing to do. So here is what you do. This one, here's the Bloom with Grace. You open it up. Let me pull it out. So with each one, let me show you what you get. You get the one that has the design, and then you get a blank one where you can do your own design. In here, these are the different tools that you can use, and they help you to put together this scratch off thing. So these are beautiful pieces of art. You can use them, to like decorate your room. So all you do is, this is just like a wooden dowel, has a little tip at the end, and you are quite literally just going to scratch. And you can see that as I'm scratching, it's coming off. The black is coming off, and this gold is being revealed. And it is so pretty. And they even give you this little brush right here where you can like get off any of the excess. So you can create your own feel. I could go through and fill all of this in and have it be solid gold. I could do outlines. And then with each package, you get a blank one. So you could do your own artwork, which is just so fun. And you might be thinking, you're like, what do I do with this? You can frame these. You could use these. You could totally use these in your planner, you guys. You could cut it down and use it in your planner. As a decor piece, use this to decorate your creative space. Do it just for fun, just because it's fun to do. So my particular pack came with 4 different patterns, or 4 different packages, and I believe there's at least one other package. You're going to want to check with the rest of the squad, who we all received different things. They're kind of the same feel, but different versions of the kits. So that is the scratch board kit. Let me show you what else I received. Oh wait, before I put this away, I wanted to show you. So you also got this tool, which is super fun. This is a really, really fine point that you can use for scratching. And then look at this one too. So you can do some very detailed things, and look at like has the tops and stuff. So this is totally reusable. All of my kids ones only came with like wooden dowels, but this one you can be super intricate and detailed, which I think is a lot of fun. So got that tool. Let me show you what else I got. All right, next up is a tie-dye kit. This is the pastel tie-dye kit, and I think they have some different color feels. I know they have a neutral one, And then I'm guessing that there's a Brights kit as well. Let's see what comes in the kit. So, oh my goodness, you have a ton. So you have a ton of different tie-dye pieces. You have the rubber bands in here. Also instructions, of course. These are some gloves that you can wear. So this is like a ton to tie-dye with. So tie-dye is like all the rage. It's super popular in clothing and decor pieces. It's a really, really popular feel, and doing it yourself can be a ton of fun. If you've never tried tie-dyeing, it's really satisfying to do, and something that's really fun to do is actually to pick up some thrift pieces. So pick up some thrift store pieces that are white that fit, and try tie-dyeing them and having fun. I love the hoodie look. I think that's so fun. So you get 12 dye colors, 12 bottles, 8 pairs of gloves, 60 rubber bands, and the instructions. So this is not like just a one-time and that's it kind of deal. You can do several different projects with this kit, which I think is a lot of fun. And the fact that it's going to come in some of the colors that you know and love from the Happy Planner, I think is fantastic. So that is the tie-dye kit. Okay, the next thing I am super excited about, this is a punch needle kit, and I have never tried punch needling, and I've always wanted to try punch needling. Let's see what comes in this kit. So the one I got was this rainbow, this kind of beautiful neutral colored rainbow. So in the kit, you get all of the different yarn that you need. Oh, that's so cute. In the bag, you get your punch needle set. Very nice. And then you get the frame, and on the frame, oh yeah, it has on the back where the rainbow kind of goes. And so I assume in here, yep, and here are the instructions on how to put it all together. So what a fun way to try a new kind of craft. I'm assuming that you could also paint this frame if you wanted to, which would be super fun to do. It's all stapled in really nice. So that's going to be, I can't wait. I cannot wait to try these different crafts. I love the Happy Planner aesthetic. And so the fact that I can bring that into some different crafting and some different parts of my life, I think is awesome. So this is the punch needle kit. Like I said, I think there are a few different designs to check out. So again, make sure you check the rest of the squad members. Look for the Happy Planner squad. I will link them below. Check out some of the other unboxings of the Happy Crafts to see what different design options there are. Okay, the last thing I got, I think I might be the most excited about. This is a paint by numbers. So be kind. And I love this design. I love the idea of painting by numbers. Let's open it up and see what is in here. First of all, I totally dig this tube. I think it's awesome. You have a pretty large canvas in here. And then it tells you, here's the little piece that's going to kind of describe to you what colors go where. And then I'm assuming, yep, you get all of your paint in here. You even get the paint brushes. So it is like all ready to go. And this is a pretty piece of canvas. So then afterwards, you can decide, you get to decide how you want to like frame this or any, so you can see, let me just pull this off. Okay, so here you go. You just open this up and go for it. Paint away. How fun is this? Oh, I'm super excited. Super pumped to do the paint by numbers and put this up in my craft room. How cute is that? I love it. And then, so if you see on the little picture, it tells you what numbers go where. It's even labeled on the different little pots of paint. But on this particular one, so there's no black line, so I don't have to worry about like staying inside the line. It'll just be like the general area for that line. So cute. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, you'll have to let me know if you've done a paint by numbers as an adult. Of course, we all did. We all did it when we were little, but these became really popular during the quarantine, I know, to do some more complicated painting projects. And then a lot of these crafting things did. I didn't really, partake of that during the quarantine, but I'm so excited to give it a try, to get to do some art that I'm like really pumped about, but that's not going to be super hard, if you know what I mean. Like, I'm going to be able to get it done, and I think that's going to be just so fun. You know what? I totally opened this the wrong way. It definitely opens over here, and I just punched out the top. Let's see. Let me open it right here, because I happen to think that this canister, yeah, is super cool. So it punches out like that. This is supposed to live in here. I can put it all back. I just went at it the wrong way. All right, so everything you need is in here. So that's the cool part about these happy crafts. You are getting to get creative, to try new things, and everything you need is all put together for you, which is just so fun. All right, so this is the Happy Crafts line. Like I said, this is a sampling of what is available or what's going to be available at the time that I'm recording this. I don't have the release information yet, but I will definitely be linking that in the description box so that you can check out the whole Happy Crafts line for yourself. Let me know below in the comments what you think of this new line from Happy Brands, from the Happy Planner. I am super excited about it. I know that's probably not shocking. Crafting is definitely up my alley. And when you find a company that kind of has your aesthetic, it's fun when they start releasing some different things that kind of can go into the rest of your life, which I think is super awesome. So I will be pumped to start diving in to these happy crafts for sure. Like I said earlier, I will have links down below so you can find out more information about the new Happy Crafts line. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Other than that, I hope that you have an absolutely fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.